Hi guys! In this video, let's do a word problem. So the problem is, I'm looking for a red convertible Benz. I'm in a car dealership and the salesman says he has 120 cars in his lot. 70 cars are neither red, convertible, or Benz. He has 25 red cars, 18 Benz cars, and 16 convertible cars. Among them, 3 are red convertible, 4 are red Benz, and 5 are convertible Benz. How many are red convertible Benz? Let's find out. So for this problem, let's take use of a Venn diagram. So here we have red, convertible, and Benz. So let's draw 3 circles. So 1, 2, 3. So here there are 120 cars in his lot, and 70 cars are neither red, convertible, or Benz. So that means he only has 50 cars that are actually red, convertible, or Benz. So now let's label them. So let's label this red, and let's label Benz. Okay, Benz. Now instead of putting convertible, I'm going to name it con. Okay, so here he has 25 red cars. So I'm going to actually draw red outside here because the red cars could actually be Benz or convertible or both. And just like that, the 18 Benz cars could actually be convertible or red or Benz. Or both, I mean. And then 16 convertible cars. So this could also be red, Benz, or both. So here we also have 3 that are red convertible. And 4 that are red Benz. And 5 that are convertible Benz. In this 5, some of it actually could be convertible, red, and Benz, and just like that for the 4 and the 3. So here we don't know what the middle is. So let's say it as a variable. So let's say A. So for red Benz, so there's A convertible, so go to the A. 4 minus A. Just like that for the 5, and just like that for the 3. So here, if we add all of this, and then subtract it by 25, we would find out how many just red cars there actually are. So, if we do that, it would be 18 plus A. And here, it would be 9 plus A. And for 16, for convertible, it would be 8 plus A. Okay, so we know this, right? So the thing is, if we add all of this, it'll equal 50. So let's do it. So 18 plus A plus 9 plus A plus 8 plus A plus 4 minus A plus 3 minus A plus 5 minus A plus A. Okay. So now, here, thing is we have plus A, right? Let's cross it out because we have a minus A here. So we can cross it out. Plus A, plus A, and minus A. Okay, so here, now let's add all the numbers. So 18 and 9 is 27. 8 and 4 is 12. 3 and 5 is 8. So here, if we add both these, it would equal 20. If we add both these, it would equal 47. So here we also have plus A. So it'd be 47 plus A equals, so we didn't write equals 50. So 50. So it would equal 50. So here, now let's move the 47 over here. So A equals 50 minus 47. So 50 minus 47 is 3. So A equals 3. So A equals 3. So let's erase the A, and now let's put 3. So there are 3 red convertible Benz in the car dealership. So 3 is the answer. Let's do math every day. And don't forget to like this video.